Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, here I'm going to show you how to do Granny's Blueberry Muffins Hack, everybody. Yes, look at this right here. It's going to make you want to slap somebody, but just in time for Valentine's Day weekend and just in time for the Valentine's Day after morning, because if he's still there, you need to top it off with this right here. He ain't going to want to leave. Trust me. Now, what we going to do is we going to take this box muffin. Who likes box muffins? You know, what does it taste like? You know, it's good. You can get by. It's okay. Exactly like that. But we have it in our cookbook. We have it by homemade, by scratch on our Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook on Amazon. But if we're going to show you how to hack up a box, okay? You can go to buy a box of, blueberry muffins, and you're going to come home, you're going to whip it up on him, okay? Or her, or whatever it may be. Just look at that moisture. Look at that moisture and that butter just laying it down to the bone right there. I'm telling you, it's going to stick to him like rice. Now, I'm telling you, follow us on YouTube. We have a lot more coming soon. We're going to share this full recipe for you for the weekend. Follow us. See you soon.